with our classes. And today, what is the day today? Can anyone tell me? Today is Thursday. Yes. So today is Thursday and the date is 10th December 2020. What's the date? 10th December. So what are we going to do today? Today we are going to do something in our English. So we have been learning about different alphabets, pictures, sounds, lot of things going on, isn't it? So today we are going to begin with something new. So can you tell me the pictures I have drawn here, what pictures are these? If you can identify the picture, you can definitely identify the alphabet also. Can anyone tell me what pictures are these? Yes? Okay, quiet everyone. Something I have drawn here. Quiet. All of you do it like this. Quiet. Quiet everyone. Isn't it? And what's that? I'm not getting the answer. What is it? Question mark. Yes. When someone has asked us something, question पूछ लिया. Isn't it? Ma'am asked you ना. What is the date today? What is the date today? Ma'am आपसे question करती है. When I'm putting up a question, जब मैम आपसे एक सवाल कर रही है, या when mama says, what do you want to eat? So mama is asking you a question, isn't it? So whenever we ask a question, we use this mark. So can you tell me which mark is this? It's a question mark. Yes, we'll write that here. Question mark. Isn't it? Okay. Now what's this? When we say, what is the meaning of this word? Can you tell me? Quiet everyone. Yes, I have told you what is the meaning. Quiet. Chup rahiye. Isn't it? So this is the sign of quiet. Quiet is to chup. Chup rehna. You don't have to speak anything. Finger on your lips is the meaning quiet. Isn't it? Okay. Now, next we have is this. Something which we use in winter season. See, winters are going on. When you go for a sleep at night, what do you take on yourself? What do you use to cover yourself? To protect yourself from from the cold that is the outside in the environment. So what do you use to protect yourself from the cold? Quilt. Yes, हम quilt ओढ़ते हैं. आप रजाई ओढ़ते हो ना? Blankets use करते हो. So what we call them? We call them quilt. So we use quilt. So what we use? Quilt. And how it is helpful? It protects us from the cold air. जो ठंडी हवा चल रही होती है, it protects us from that. Is it clear? So what it is? It's a quilt. Clear? Next we have is this. Can you tell me what is this? It's a feather and we use it in filling pillows also. So feather of a very special bird it is. What we call it? It's a quill. Yes, what it is? Quill. Clear what it is? It's a quill. Next we have is quilt. So if you see what I have written here, you will understand which alphabet actually we are talking about. Now can you tell me who's she? It's a queen. Yes, it's a queen. So when we write queen, now can you tell me which alphabet I am talking about? Can you tell me which alphabet we are talking about? Q. Yes, the alphabet that we are talking about is alphabet Q. And this is how I told you to write this alphabet in capital form. Isn't it? This is how we write alphabet Q in capital form. So alphabet Q. Now we have quill, we have quilt, we have queen, we have quite, we have question mark, then we have cute. So what, sorry, not cute, sorry. Then we have quail. Quail is a bird I'm talking about. It's a very special bird and we don't find it any everywhere. A very special bird it is. The name of the bird is quail. Clear? So class, when we are talking of the objects that starts with alphabet Q. See, we are talking about these objects and if you will see, all these objects are starting with alphabet Q. Isn't it? So when we are speaking about it, when we are discussing about it, what sound is coming to you? What sound you can hear? Again, I'll repeat the name. Queen, question mark, quite, quilt, quill. So what sound is coming? What sound is coming? Isn't it? How it is coming? Quill, quill, question mark, queen, quite, isn't it? The sound that is coming is question mark. So how we are getting it? The sound that is coming is See, half क और व. जब क की साउंड क्या होती है? क. जब हम क के बारे में, कबूतर के बारे में बात करते हैं तो क बोलते हैं. बट हमने यहाँ पे क्या किया है? उसको हाफ कर दिया, यानी कि पूरा क नहीं निकलेगा. क और व से व होता है. सो क और व जब मिक्स करेंगे तो जो साउंड आएगी दैट इज व्हाट साउंड विल Is that clear to everyone? What sound is coming out? And now let's see how we are going to write this cursive alphabet Q. Isn't it? Let's see how to write this cursive alphabet now. Now as you all know, the capital formation of this alphabet is first we make a circle and then we make a slanting line. This is the capital formation. Now moving towards the cursive formation, how we are going to do? See, again lowercase alphabet, that means from the lower blue line. From here we are going to begin it. Clear? Lowercase alphabet है तो lower blue line से ही begin करेंगे. How we are going to write that? First, go like this and up. Now see, we are using two blue lines and the lower red line to make this alphabet. This alphabet will touch these three lines. जो bottom वाली तीन line है, वो तीन लाइनें touch करेगा. It will touch these bottom three lines. Clear? See again. From this go up. See, ये हमने A की तरह बनाया, but when we are making A, हम उसको ऐसे tilt करते हैं. Don't tilt it. Go like this and touch and make a slant line. Or you can say, you remember how we did alphabet G? ये G याद है आपको? इसी की तरह similarly है ये alphabet, but आपको उसमें G में हमने यहाँ से curve बनाया था. We will not make any curve. Go like this. G में हमने यहाँ curve बनाया था, but here we'll do it like this. Understood? This is the difference between G and Q. So what is this? It's Q. Say with me, what is the sound of this alphabet? Q. How we are going to write? Q. Is that clear to all? How we are going to write it? Q. Clear? So the sound, the alphabet is Q. The sound is Q. Q, Q, queen. Q, Q, quite. Q, Q, question mark. Q, Q, quilt. Q, Q, quill. Is that clear to everyone? So the sound of alphabet Q is Quo. Now, moving towards our book work. So, we have to do work on page number 44 and 46. Book page number 44 and 46. So these are the two pages you have to do as your today's class work. Is that clear? Now let's see how to do our work in notebook as our today's homework. So one will be today's homework and the other will be tomorrow's practice work. So both I'm going to tell you. Okay? So class, now please open your book on page number 44. So let me first explain you your today's classwork. So how we are going to do that? See, first write today's date. So that is 10th December 2020. Clear? And you have to write classwork here. Now what this says, finger trace the Q, quirk and color it. See? You have to finger trace. Now one is written here, go like this, then go up, come down and like this. So this is how you have to finger trace it, and after that you have to fill it with color. Now match the picture with their shadows. So can you see there's a queen, a quill and a quilt. So you have to now think what shadows of these pictures can be. And you have to do the matching work. As in, this is the queen, something like this. So just match it. Then we have a quill. Can you search the shadow of the quill here? Yes, we have this. So you will match it. Last we have is a quilt. Can you tell me what shadow can match quilt here? This one. So we'll match it like this. Understood? Now next I gave you your homework on page 46. So when you will open your page number 46, you will find that there is some space given to trace your alphabet Q. Isn't it? So you have to do the tracing here. This is your second homework. So write down the date. That is 10th December 2020. And classwork here. Done. After this, now let's see what is our today's homework. So now keeping it aside, can you see here I have written Q, Q. What is the sound? Q. The sound of alphabet Q is Q. Now first thing that we are going to do is write today's date. That is 10th December 2020 and it's your homework, so write HW. Now Q says Q, Q, quill, Q, quite, isn't it? So how we are going to write that alphabet? Now see, can you see this bottom blue line where I am putting a dot? So we have to begin our alphabet from here. Understood? How? एक सर्कल बनाया, make a straight line down and one slanting line on the right side of the standing line. Clear? See again. Like this. So like this you will write alphabet Q in your notebook. It is something similar to G. G में अभी आपको बताया बोर्ड पे we were writing like this ना, like this. हम इसमें यहाँ पे turn करते थे left hand side, but in Q you have to make a slanting line on the right hand side. This is the difference. Clear? So this one was G and this is your Q. Q, queen, Q, quill, Q, quite. Then we have Q, question mark, Q, queen. And like this, you will complete this whole page as your today's homework and practice alphabet Q. Is that clear? Okay. Now your work for tomorrow. What that can be? You have to practice alphabet A to Q. A to Q tomorrow. So tomorrow will be 11th. So we'll write tomorrow's date. Yes, 11 December 2020. Mention homework and how you are going to do. A, B, K, D, A, F, G, H, E, J, K, L. See, A, B, C, D. When you will write now, say their sounds like this. E, F, G, H. I, E, J, K, L. Then we have M, N, O, P. And today we learned Q. Clear? So this is how you will do your practice from A to Q. Clear all? This is your tomorrow's work to be done tomorrow only, not today. So class, I hope you have understood the sound of alphabet Q now. What is the sound of alphabet Q? Question mark पूछा मैं आपने question पूछा आपसे. So what is the sound? Q. Yes, the sound of alphabet Q. The alphabet Q, isn't it? So the sound of this alphabet is Q. 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 Quill. Then again Q. Q. Quilt. We have queen. Quiet. Quiet. Then we have question mark, isn't it? So now it's time for you to finish your work and share that with me, and after this get ready for your next class. Bye, take care.